Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install flood zone checks with FEMA easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the FEMA website. Locate the section specifically for flood zone information. Select the option for Flood Map Service Center. You will need to enter your address in the provided search field. Click the search button to initiate the search. Review the results to find your property's flood zone information. Select the appropriate map for your area. Download or print the flood map for your records. Next, review the flood zone designation provided on the map. If your property is in a flood zone, consider the next steps for flood insurance. You may also want to check for any elevation certificates available for your property. Contact your local officials if you need assistance interpreting the map. Consider reaching out to a floodplain manager for detailed guidance. Keep your documents organized for future reference. Stay informed about any updates to flood zone maps in your area. This will ensure you have the most current information. By following these steps, you can effectively check your flood zone status with FEMA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.